In this video, I'm sharing about Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's design and display. Expect a similar design but titanium sides. A very bright 6.8-inch screen is rumored, might have 140/40s. Refresh rate leaks suggest that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will look a lot like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. We've seen leaked Galaxy S24 Ultra case images and unofficial renders of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which show a near identical design, as you can see below, but with some small changes, at least going by the information supplied with the renders. For one thing, the bezels are apparently slightly slimmer, with them said to be one of the narrowest bezels seen on any smartphone. That's since been reiterated a second time, with pictures attached. The same leak also states that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 162.3 x 79 x 8.7 and 233 grams, making it a tiny bit shorter, slimmer, and lighter than the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. They also state that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have titanium sides, rather than aluminum like its predecessor. This is a more premium material and would put it more in line with the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, which also have titanium sides. We've heard mention of titanium being used by the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra multiple times, including in a report by the ELEC, though one source clarifies that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will apparently use a titanium alloy. We've also heard the weight and dimensions above leaked more than once, with the slight exception that Leaker Eyes claims the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be 8.6 m thick. Subsequent spy shots showing a supposed S24 Ultra next to an S2003 Ultra highlight the titanium bodywork and slightly reworked design elements too. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra colors have also leaked, with the phone apparently set to come in black, gray, violet, and yellow shades. And the same source, Bleecker Ross Young, later adding that there might also be orange, light blue, and light green options as Samsung online store exclusives. Leaker Nineveh has since echoed all of these shades. If you want to see what all of this looks like, check out the leaked renders that have come as part of a big leak on Windows Report. As for the screen, Universice and the source of the renders above have both claimed that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 6.8-inch display like the current model, but the former adds that this 24 Ultra screen will be able to reach 2500 nits of brightness. We've since heard this 2500 nits of brightness claim for the Galaxy S24 Ultra again, so it could well be accurate. That could make it the brightest smartphone screen on the planet, marginally beating the 2400 nits of the Pixel 8 Pro and well ahead of the 2.0 nits of the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the 1750 nits of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. That's not the only display upgrade we've heard about either, because according to one leak, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 144 Hz refresh rate. That's up from 120 Hz on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the latter of which also being the refresh rate that most other high-end phones have other than the best gaming phones. A higher refresh rate can make the likes of animations and page scrolling appear smoother, so it's beneficial. But the source who made this claim doesn't have much of a track record yet, so we'd take this with a pinch of salt. Finally, we've heard that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra might be the first Samsung phone to use an advanced and power-efficient M13 display. That would put it a generation ahead of the displays used on the current best Samsung phones, and it's also the display technology that the iPhone 16 line will reportedly use. A second source has also said the Galaxy S24 Ultra will use an M13 display, but they claim that the other S24 models will as well.